नवे सिजनात इंडियन विमेन्स टीमीक खेळत दवरप तशेंच भारताचें फिफा रँकिंग सुदारपाचें टार्गेट कोच मॅमॉल रॉकिंग दवरलां. हालींच कोच नेमले उपरांत मॅमॉलाचे टिमीन मलेशिया टुरार बरी कामगिरी केल्या. गोंयांत पावले उपरांत मॅमॉल प्रुडंटा कडेन उलयलें.
The girls did excellent. Whatever was told to the girls just did their job. And again, we had a win 2-0. So that was a great achievement for me and the girls, because after a long time we got this exposure. So I think it was good. For this year, we have lined up, a lot of things are coming up for the girls, especially it's the pre-qualifying rounds which is coming first. So before that, in their own state, the associations have to conduct a league between their state, and the winning team comes up for the pre-qualifying rounds. From pre-qualifying rounds, they go for the I League, Women's I League. So there are, a good platform for the girls to come for the coming year. Plus, we have our nationals, senior women nationals this year in December. So again, there are a lot of tournaments, a lot of league, a lot of things happening. So it's only the girls by themselves have to keep themselves fit and come for the tournaments and league. We scout girls from the national level, especially age group under 19. It was held this year now, back a few days before. So 24 states participated in there. So from that we select the girls, and we have shortlisted 40 girls for now, and these 40 girls will be called for the camp. From the camp, whoever is the head coach and the staff, whoever is there, they do the selection, and finally the 23 team, the girls, 23 girls travel with the team. See, we were earlier 56, now we have come to 60. Again, it's because of lack of friendly matches. But now I think AIFF also has planned a lot of things for this coming year. So we play more international matches or more friendly international matches. I think the ranking will definitely go up. So it's only we have to play. So girls are all ready and girls are all excited to do that. So even this Malaysia trip, girls were really excited, and they were looking up to play this match. So I think it's just give the opportunity and girls will do their best.
How they were cooperating with you, and what is your experience with them?
The best part was I was with this team earlier as assistant coach, and now I was a head coach. So I think girls were more comfortable with me. They should come and share one-on-one everything what they wanted, what they needed. So it was all everything. I think the girls were more comfortable with me, and I had no problem, such any major problem. So it was good.
हाथी घोडा पालकी जय कन्हैया लाल की. सोमारा कृष्ण जन्माष्टमी जाली. अष्टमीचे दुसरे दिसा सगळ्यांक दही हंडीचो उत्सव. गोंयच्या कांय शारांनी सांजे उसरां सुरू जाल्ल्यो दही हंडी रातीं उसरां मेरेन चल्ल्यो. पळयात गोविंदाचो उत्सव. इतल्याने बुलेटिन हांगाच सोंपता. ह्यो खबरो तुमकां प्रुडंट व्हॉट्सॲप, ट्विटर, फेसबूक आनी प्रुडंट वेबसायटीचेरय लायव्ह मेळटात. प्रुडंटाक फॉलो करीत रावात. नमस्कार.